Okay, I wanted to do a quick screencast to show how quickly you can get HAX installed on a vanilla Drupal 7 site, so you can start to play around and experiment with it. So we're going to basically start off with a fresh Drupal 7 site. I'm just going to quickly rename that Drupal to Drupal 7 HAX. Okay, so I'm just going to use DDEV to run a quick configuration, answer the 3 basic questions, and then I'm going to open up the config.yml to modify the hooks at the bottom. And this is what's going to allow us to handle a lot of the post-start functions that we need to do. So if I go to this gist that I had created and I drop it in here and save it, basically once I run DDEV start, a couple things are going to happen. The first thing is that DDEV, which is a wrapper for Docker and Docker Compose, is going to generate the Docker Compose files to set up the Nginx container and the database container, and basically perform the normal actions to get the Drupal site up and running. Then we're going to run through a Drush site install through this first command. We're going to do a little bit of a hack on macOS. We're going to check out this library that we need, a simple HTML DOM. We are then going to have Drush download the proper modules and then enable them. And then finally, in order to get the web components, we're going to have to install npm or bower within the container, and we will have to create a couple directories and move the manifest over, and then run basically the bower install. And so what's going to happen is you're going to see a lot of packages being downloaded and created. Once that's done, by the way, as long as you don't delete the container, you could basically run or keep that container up with DDEV start, and you won't have to go through that step again, because bower will obviously check that the libraries are already there. And so in a few short moments, we should be able to get the last command running, and then we'll go over here and we'll use the Drush user login. That will basically drop us right into the new Drupal site with the ability to go to the node and create a new node and then touch on the HAX tab. So we're just waiting a few more seconds. Okay, there's a Drush user login, so I can click that, get into the site, and now HAX basically is added to your nodes. So if I go here, I'll now have this HAX mode tab, and then I have HAX, and I could start to access all the functionality that HAX provides. So again, if you're looking to kick the tires and you can't use Simply Test Me to quickly get HAX up on a D7 site, this is the fastest way to get started. I'll actually add a repo in addition to the gist to this video notes. Thank you.